Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your social links on Twitch easily. This will help you connect all your social media accounts and make your profile look more professional. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device and type Twitch in the search bar. Make sure you update the app to the latest version if you haven't already. Once the app is updated, go ahead and open Twitch. Now that the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the settings option in the top left corner and tap on it. Here you'll see an option called Manage Social Links. Click on Manage Social Links, and from here, you can easily add, remove, or edit all your social media accounts such as Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. This makes it super convenient for your viewers to find you across all platforms. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Twitch tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.